Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to customize Mailchimp confirmation message. In this guide, we're going to walk through everything you need to know to make your confirmation message look more professional, more personalized, and better aligned with your brand. Now, a lot of people just leave the default confirmation message as it is, but taking a few extra minutes to customize it can really improve how your audience experiences your emails right from the start. It's one of those small details that can make a big difference in building trust and keeping everything consistent. I'll be keeping everything simple and beginner-friendly, so even if you're completely new to Mailchimp, you'll be able to follow along without any confusion. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to adjust your confirmation message and make it fit exactly what you need. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go ahead and open up your Mailchimp dashboard, where all your campaigns and audience tools are neatly organized and ready to use. From there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and select the option labeled Campaigns. Once you do that, a new interface will appear, presenting you with various campaign elements. This is where you'll locate the one titled Confirmation Email. Then we will go to that location and click Edit. Now, take a moment to let everything load smoothly. Notice how clean and organized the layout looks. It's designed to make things simple and easy to follow. Just get comfortable with what you're seeing before moving on. As you can see, this is where you can edit your confirmation email. If we want, we can preview our email by clicking Preview. As you can see, this is the email our audiences will look at. This is the desktop version, which the default we're opening Preview. The next to it is the mobile version. If we want, we can also edit the design of our email by clicking Edit Design. And honestly, this is where you can get a little creative with it. Take your time to explore the different styling options, play around with the layout, and see what fits your message best. You don't have to rush this part. Sometimes just testing a few small changes can make a big difference in how your email looks and feels. So feel free to experiment a bit and get comfortable with the design tools you have here. To save you the trouble, always remember to test send it by clicking Send Test. Then, if you like what you see, go and click Save and Exit. Then it will take you to the screen you were before. Then, if you finished customization or editing, go and click the option that says Send. And that's basically all there is to customizing your Mailchimp confirmation message. I hope by now you can see how easy it is to make small tweaks that really improve the overall look and feel of your emails. Remember, taking a little time to personalize your messages not only makes your emails look more professional, but also gives your audience a better experience right from the first interaction. Even small changes like adjusting colors, fonts, or wording can make a noticeable difference. So don't be afraid to experiment and try out different styles until it feels just right. It's all about making it your own and ensuring it matches your brand perfectly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.